My name is Jarvis, and I have been a victim of animal abuse. It was a scary time for me, but I fought through it. I remember it like it was yesterday. Those terrible memories. My owner was singing too loud and obnoxious. I couldn't fall asleep.
Okay, Jarvis, we're recording in 3, 2, 1. Action! Why aren't you doing anything? You dumb cat! You're so useless! What is wrong with you? Ah!
He also made me be in his dumb YouTube videos, and you might think, well, Jarvis, that is mean to say. No, really, his videos were terrible. I'm not trying to get back at him. They were absolutely bad. So I ran away and found a new loving home that cares about me. Also pet me a lot. I like to get pet. So stand up to animal abuse and tell your owners to stop. Together we can fight animal abuse. Who's with me? Oh yeah, also subscribe and like the video.